Hey, it's Christy, and we are going to be cooking for idiots. Or this is going to show you, even if you're an idiot, how to cook. You don't have to know how to cook. I'm going to teach anybody and everybody simple ways of cooking some delicious stuff with very few ingredients. Like right now, I'm going to show you how to make squash casserole. Where was this when I was a kid? Like, if you would have told me squash casserole when I was a kid, that just sounds disgusting. Until I had it about a decade or so ago. And then I was like, where has this been all my life? It's delicious. It's sweet. It's got cheese. And in this recipe, you're going to need squash, sour cream, onions, and cheese. And Ritz crackers. So technically 5 ingredients. The Ritz crackers we're going to crumble up on top to make a nice little hat for it. But the squash that I'm using is organic because I've got to think about your health and poisons and whatnot. The sour cream's all natural sour cream. The cheese I'm using is a Colby Jack, but whatever cheese you like. I tend to like the more yellowy cheeses for my casseroles, but that's just me. So we're gonna start right now. If you'd like, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the little bell to ding to get notified when I'm putting more videos out. And let's go ahead and show you what you're gonna need. And you're gonna need a pan, a big pan. So I start with my virgin olive oil, spray the pan down. This little chopper is the most wonderful invention ever. If you don't like to take a lot of time chopping, like I don't, this thing will cut it down in moments. So we'll start with our trusty knife. Cut the ends off. And then just with a few, the dogs hate it. There might be a few chunks that you'll have to recut. Like there's one right here. But for the most part, I just take it, dump it into my pan here. This chopper does the job so quickly, so efficiently, and if you don't want it as minced, you just chop it a few times. Just push this down, it's so powerful. But I've got mine more on the minced side. What I'm gonna do is put it on the stove, saute it till it's almost a translucent color. Now some people just like it sliced. It just depends on how you like yours to be. This to me makes it cook quicker and easier. And I'll throw some butter in there because, again, it doesn't hurt to have more butter. Come with me. Butter. Butter. And then I like to add tons of black pepper. Use whatever seasoning or no seasoning that you like. Using the same handy dandy chopper. And now once it seems to have gotten that nice cooked translucentness, once it's gotten that nice cooked translucence, see-through part. Put it in a strainer so all the excess liquid will come out of it. And while you're waiting for that to finish sauteing, take your squash that you've had in the colander, put that in there. We've got a 16-ounce container. We're going to use half of that, so 8 ounces, roughly. Get in there. Now, get your casserole dish, spray it with your olive oil cooking spray, pour the mixture, even it out. Then we'll take a pack of Ritz crackers. So 1 whole pack. And crumble them up in your hands as finely as you can. Now we've got our oven preheat to 350. We'll put the casserole in there. We'll set the timer for 45 minutes. I don't know about you, but I'm sweating now. They don't tell you cooking burns lots of calories, so yay, we're getting our cardio in, and of course I don't have my Fitbit on. But this is gonna take 350 degrees, 45 minutes to cook, and when it is done, oh my God, you're welcome. You're welcome. So I try to clean up as I go, otherwise you'll have so much mess. So while you're sauteing, wash a dish. Do in between, just be cautious to not let anything burn. But again, 5 ingredients and you're gonna have a fantastic casserole. We'll come back, meet you back in 45. All right, I want you to look at this. This is the casserole right out of the oven, 45 minutes, 350 degrees, and it is bubbling, ooey gooey goodness. Ooey gooey goodness. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna put a lot of videos up that's gonna show simple ways to make some delicious food. It's cooking for idiots. Even you can do this. So come back and see me again. Bon appetit.